So we're here at Stone Creek Ranch today, and we're going to show you how to install the new Ultimate Saddle Racks. And we'll be heading into our tack room, and we're going to show you how quick and simple it is to remove the existing racks, put up the new Ultimate Saddle Rack, and give yourself tons of extra storage. What we'd like to do is show you the Ultimate Saddle Rack. It's made out of high-grade aluminum. All joints are welded, all edges are finished smooth so that there's no sharp edges. These have been very good for all of our clients. They've seen a great deal of wasted space now being used, and very safe for the saddle. We're at Stone Creek Ranch, and like every other barn boarding facility, they're pressed for space for their saddles. They're pressed for space for storage for their boarder clients. So what we're here today to show you is the new Ultimate Saddle Rack system, and we're going to show you today how we can help them alleviate their storage problems by replacing all the storage you see here in front of us, plus reorganize their saddle rack area in order to give a nice safe mount for the saddles and great storage for their boarder. We are going to first of all take loose all the security cables. They've all been unpadlocked, so we're going to remove these from each one of the saddles, and then we're going to remove all the saddles. Once all your saddles have been removed, we have two more here, and these will also accommodate your English clients as well. It's important to have prepped, gotten all the tools that you're going to need for the particular job that we're doing today. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the existing saddle racks. Once your saddle racks have been removed, you can bring your new Ultimate Saddle Racks in to get them set up. At this point, the new racks are all mounted securely to the wall. You can see that the new Ultimate racks are all installed. Thank you for coming and watching us at Stone Creek Ranch. We've showed you how simple and easy it is to remove your existing saddle racks and to install your Ultimate Saddle Racks. If you have any questions, you can reach us at our office, or you can get a hold of us at our website.